Hi everyone, I'm Liv Drazen, a senior at Hall High School in West Hartford. I'm currently taking both AP Chinese and AP Spanish. Both of these classes have been my favorites throughout my high school career, and along the way, I've learned some tips and tricks about how to learn language better and how to successfully get my work done and be very efficient in both of those classes. For auditory learners, I have discovered that saying the vocab out loud as you study is super helpful. I always do this in Spanish. It's a little harder in Chinese, but with my Spanish vocab, reading out loud and kind of internalizing it in your own voice is super helpful and gets the vocab done efficiently. For kinesthetic and visual learners, making flashcards, not online, but physical flashcards with the definition and words separately to match is super helpful to visualize and to reinforce the words. For fluency, I would say speak in your head and out loud as much as you can throughout the day when you're doing random stuff. I try to do this talking to my dog if I'm home alone to speak to him in Spanish and to watch as much TV and movies and read as much as I can in both Chinese and Spanish. And for specifically writing in Chinese, I would say to write the characters with pinyin and English all together. This helps with muscle memory and really makes it easy to kind of remember not only what the character looks like, but what it means and how to type it into the computer if you were to do so. Thank you so much for listening to my tips and tricks. I'm so grateful to be giving you guys this information, and I hope it's helpful.